Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday. And I'm going to do a quick, out the door, presentable looking makeup look. Okay, I'm going to set my timer for, last time I set it for 10 minutes, I believe. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes again. Here's the timer. And here's the 10 right here. Okay. Alright, first I'm going to put on, I'm just putting on some, what you call this stuff? Finishing powder. And I'm going to look quite chalky at first. Look at that. Now I'm rushing. I was looking very frazzled and hazzled. No foundation, just the powder. Get up under these eyes, these raccoon eyes. They're super dark. Okay. Now I'm putting on some blush because I need color on my face, yeah. I always put too much and then I go over it with more powder. Okay. I use lip balm. And now I'm going to use some lip color. I got all kind of lipsticks, and I only wear one or two lipsticks. That's because I like lip stain. I don't even know what kind of lipstick this is. Maybelline color 400 Berry Go. These eyebrows. I'm here trying to put the mask on when I go somewhere, then my chin breaks out. I'll put everything I use in the description box. Ooh. This looks like a little bitty mascara wand, but it's stiff. It's really, really, really stiff. To comb the eyebrows. This one I think looks alright, but it don't match the other. And this is how I mess up. Okay, I need some, what you call it, eyeshadow. Why am I doing this? And I got a mirror right here. Okay. Oh, this is getting on my nerves. Okay, I'll do it like this. Put something light right there. I want to accentuate the arch. Okay. Subtle, very subtle. I like a smoky eye a little bit. And that's what I call cutting the crease right here. Put the smokiness right here at the outer V. And then I do this. Now, I don't know if it's cutting the crease or not, but that's what I call it. Looks good to me. Let me blend this. That's good. Now this liner. Eyeliner. You put his bib on?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Put your bib on. Come here. Come here.
I got mismatched eyes. It's okay. I'm gonna put this green on up under the waterline. And some mascara. I don't know how much time I got. Well, I can look up there. Oh, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm doing good. That's good. Okay. What I need? I need to soften this powder. Tone it down this blush. Okay. This is a quick outdoor look. I'm through. So I got, 9 minutes 20, I'll say 9 minutes 30 seconds. So I beat the timer this time. This is my quick out the door look. I look presentable. So I'm not as cute as I can get, but I look presentable. I feel like I'm missing something, but I probably ain't. So next Monday is Valentine's Day, and I'm doing a collab with several ladies. So, and it's going to start at noon, 12 noon Central Standard Time. And like I said, several other ladies, see, so I beat the time. Several other ladies are going to join me in this makeup collab. And so I'll be posting, I'm going to do my makeup. I'll probably wash this off and then do it immediately after, I shut this camera off. So I'm going to film it ahead of time, and then I'm going to schedule it to show on Valentine's Day at noon here. So it won't be the same look. And the other ladies, they can do theirs ahead of time too. Well, I don't go live, so some of them do. I don't. I've never gone live. So y'all can look out for next Makeup Monday. It'll actually be a collab with some other ladies. So, and I'll post their channels in my description box next week. So you can go on over to the channel and see what they're up to. And it's going to be about five ladies. So they're trying to grow their channels. So try to support them. I'm sure my honeys wouldn't mind supporting other people. Okay. So, like I said, I can tell you everything I use now. This is the eyeshadow I use. Elme, that color. You got it for the brow bone, the crease, and the lid. Very subtle. I always use this blush. Y'all seen this a lot of times. This is my finishing powder. I don't have any foundation. It works well. I use this Queen of the Field tinted brow gel. I use the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions mascara. I use the Sugar Waterline eyeliner. That's it. Chapstick on this lipstick. It's Maybelline. Okay. It's in the color 400 Berry Go. I bought this a while ago from Walgreens. I saw it and liked it, and I never wear it. Nice color. So, that's it, y'all. And I passed the time this time. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And be on the lookout for the makeup collab on Valentine's Day at 12 noon Central Standard Time. And I do really want you to check out the other ladies, and their names will be in my description box. Okay. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.